Hello Tiny Reviewer friends, today I'll be reviewing Ritz Crackers Fudge Covered Limited Edition. Evidently it's Christmas-like theme. Nutrition facts and ingredients: it contains wheat, milk, and soy. It's made in Canada. Everything is a recipe for a triple layer chocolate Ritz pie. Okay, we're not going to be making that, by the way. Oh, they're fully covered. I was gonna be like that, like half covered. Maybe it's fully covered. Okay. I'm actually kind of excited. The saltiness of the Ritz cracker and the sweetness of the chocolate is actually really good. Like, you're gonna give my mom. My mom says if it isn't chocolate, it's good. And what's the point of eating it, to be honest? Perfect. I give it a 4.2. My dad also gives it a 4.2. My dad says it's better than like the regular Ritz crackers. It's really good. My dad wanted to the chocolate covered Ritz crackers to come out every single time of the year instead of just Christmas, because it is limited edition. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button, and meet again on this brown compatible table, and let's see you again in my videos. Bye.